So this is going to be a little bit a longer version of Neo. I'm going to explain everything, the fundamentals, the whole due diligence that you need to know before the earnings, and at the end, I'm going to show you exactly where do I expect Neo to go. And yeah, let's get right into the video without wasting time. First things first, and there are going to be some things that I really want to touch up upon. Uh, this is going to be very important, so buckle up and let's get right into it. There are earnings coming, and earnings were going to be on for the 1st of March. The 1st of March is on Wednesday. So yeah, like we're gonna see how that's gonna be playing around. I'm also gonna show you my opinions and everything that you need to know. Now, the first thing that I'm gonna be catching up on is this. This is a news. Okay, these news were uploaded one day ago, 24th of February. Today we're 25th. And it says that the Audi's EV naming lawsuit against Neo gets shut down in Europe. So this should be good news, right? I'm not going to be just going and just reading and just wasting your time. This is just me explaining this thing. Kind of great news for you, right? The German court ruled that the two of Neo's electric SUVs models, ES6, ES8, sounded too closely to Audi's existing vehicles' names. After watching the first TV region in the all this stuff, the ruling was not final, and Neo said at the time it will appeal that decision and defends its legal rights. Despite winning the battle in Germany, it seems that Audi is losing the overall war in Europe. So they lost the Neo lost the war in Germany, but overall war in the Europe is actually in favors of Neo. In the European Union, Intellectual Property Office ruled this week that Neo's ES6, ES8 models do not in fact constitute confusion, according to here. So this is on electric site. Shout out to them. Also, these are some fantastic news that we have right here. The Neo's battery company started to apply for battery patents. This was uploaded on February 25th. So this was today. This is a new news. It was from East West Connect side. So we see that this is sourced from the technology break. Recently, according to the media reports, people familiar with the matter said that Neo plans to build its first battery factory to produce large cylindrical batteries similar to those used by Tesla. Tianchas, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but intellectual property information shows that the company has recently begun to apply battery related patents. And the first published patent is a negative uh, electrode of battery and electromechanical device composing negative electrode of the battery. The description shows that. No, I'm not going to go ahead and read this. This is just you can pause the video and go ahead through that. But through the technical solutions of the innovation, lithium, the deposition. I don't think that you need to know this, but also we have some image right here that I don't know what's upon it. But yeah, this is just great news for it. Started to apply bad battery patents. And right now, before I show you the whole analysis, which is going to be very interesting and not a lot of people know this, let me go ahead and scroll through this. This is about the like what I found. This I really want to show you this right now. So a lot of the people who are watching these new videos right now are confused. I'm going to show you in a second. So 2021 German EV annual report Neo uh, uniquely positioned to crush BBA. When a silly session of Neo. Okay, you can go ahead and read this. But what I saw in this right here, you can just go ahead and read through this. Okay, it's self-explanatory. Okay, Neo is different market segments to Tesla with some BAS SET5 overlap selling ICE. It is increasingly difficult in China. All right, reduce ICE like quotes every year. EV companies selling EV credits to ICE and all the good stuff. Now, what I want to read, like what I read, this is just shout out to this guy, RKA. Okay, shout out to that. Shout out to that guy. But I saw this, right? I saw this. In my opinion, Wall Street wants to frustrate retail to the point to no return so they can sell and lose all the trust in Neo. Those are the stupid SPs because they know this company is doing what no other is and they want to do to sweep all of their shares at their prices. Those who know what Neo is actually building understand that it's all in matter of time before all their running projects and new models are operating and selling at once, right? The news on the battery factory is extraordinary because after the first, the second factory will come along as well. Their drive is second to none, right? Now, that being said, you can see how a lot of people are confused. Meanwhile, right now in this video right here that I made on Neo, it's not a video that I made on Neo, but just predictions that I made on Neo. A lot of people are confused in the direction that Neo is going right now. The thing is, yeah, maybe the short interest is high and all the good stuff, right? We have good news. I haven't been focusing on news like recently on Neo. I have only been giving you like 1 minute filled with value technical analysis to exactly what I'm expecting the price to go. And you see how this is affecting that. We saw some great news too, but there is a lot of speculation on this thing. So let me explain and just clear some things up. On Neo, like if I just go ahead and look at the bottom right corner, this is a very this like trading utility is awesome. Okay, we have a lot of things that you could be working with. You can see we have the performance. The performance seems bearish, right? Everything's red. Now, do not be worried because red doesn't always mean that bad, right? Don't like from this high that we made, the all-time high 2021. Ever since then, we have been going down. That might seem like a bad thing, but the thing is that if I just zoom and show you the technicals, this for me is a bullish range, right? This is a bullish trend, a beautiful bullish impulsive move, downside move and upside move. So we're overall in this one bullish break up, and this range is actually bullish. Therefore, what's the nonsense behind it? Let me show you right now. This is very interesting. So on the lower time frame, on the other hand, because of the bearish moves that we have been getting, intermediary structure, and I don't want you to be confused. Intermediary just means the most like it's not high time frame, but just kind of medium time frame stuff that has been going on. We have been breaking the structure down, and you are aware of that. My prediction looks something like this in here. Okay, I have made a prediction on it. Um, it looks something like this. Now you can see the prediction has been right for the whole month, and I'm going to show you proof right now. But I also forgot to show you this. Um, Let me show you right now. We have actually this is just the disclaimer that I want to show you, but this is the proof, right? This is the proof. This was uploaded 3 weeks ago. There you go. Just go check out the link. This is how I made the prediction, right? I was expecting the bearish moves the whole time. That being said, I'm definitely still expecting to deliver lower. This is not bad thing, right? Please understand this. This is not bad thing. That just means that I mean, yeah, short term, medium time frame, like whatever you call it, I'm expecting bearish moves. This is no question asked. I'm definitely expecting bearish moves a little bit before we tap into some areas right here. Before we start to see some upside moves, even from right here, like that could be exploding. But for right now, I'm expecting bearish moves. Hope that clears it out. We also have earnings, which estimated like on trading view side right here. If I go like finances right now, let me just go check it out for you. Financials. We have overview. Then we have the sentiment and whatnot. The earnings. Yeah, there we go. Estimated to be a little bit down. This is like a quarter four in 2022, which is not thing. Now I don't have a clue like what I'm seeing right now right here. This is just what I saw, but we don't need to look at it right now from that point. I'm definitely maybe expecting, like you can see, we had red earnings right here. We might see red because again, I'm definitely expecting some bearish moves, but that doesn't change the fact that we're in a bullish range on the higher time.